Greetings.
Annyeong, I'm here.
Okay, here's my sketchbook from the 8th of June to the 22nd of September. Wow. Okay, starts off with us going to Bondi. Oh, that's you, David.
I wanna die.
Okay, yeah, we watched The Hustle. Second time in the cinemas. David cried.
I didn't cry.
You did.
Okay, whatever.
Just some shit, you know how it be, the zoo. Wow, am I a furry?
Yes. Too many animals.
Food. Oh, that was with us, and you were like, I love Rachel Berry, and I was like, plans for a painting. The police at Santana, it doesn't look like her, but whatever. We visited Massive. Pre-gaming for a party. Cafe sketching. Wow. Oh, that was you telling us about you
Britney,
sharding.
bitch. Oh, no!
You're like, guys, I didn't finish my exam because I had to shot. Ah! Yeah. My cute date. Some studies. Still painting. Elton being a homosexual. What's new? What did we watch? Oh, we watched Toy Story 4. Oh, and then you were being insecure, and I was like, you're the prettiest boy alive. And I was like, oh, and then I was like, okay. Oh, when I missed my stop, and I ended up in Holsworthy. That was scary.
Stupid bitch.
Okay, anyways, more comics. Oh, BCII, worst time of my life. Kidding, wasn't that bad, but maybe it was.
Maybe it was.
Wow, wow.
Ooh, that's
oh,
nice.
I did that for Michelle, and it's in her living room. Yeah, because she got a new sofa. Okay, more. Oh, last day of BCII. Thank fuck. Stuff. Oh,
Oh my
Kim's
god.
Convenience.
Oh my god.
Daddy.
No.
Oh, self-portraits. I'm ugly. We've been new. Okay, that was us trying zucchini chips.
Oh my god.
20% off couch. Ouch. So stupid. Okay. More comics. Oh, that was me and Tim's cute brunch. Uni. Oh, when we were just vaping on the grass. Spice and Lee. That was for our stop motion thing. Second day and
Last.
oh. Okay. No, but that night, like, me and the girls, we got fucked up. And we were just talking about our daddy issues, and I was, like, crying a lot. And then I came home, and my mum was like, are you an alcoholic? And I was like, and I oop. Okay, anyways. That was when Neve was like, have you ever tried anal? And I was like, oh my god. Orange is New Black. Oh, that was a dark night. We were just in the car park, and, you know. Oh, when the girls went to Yadalunga, that was cute. We trekked to the biggest KFC in the Southern Hemisphere, but it was really small. Me, Maddie, Isabel at UCID, being gay. Just kidding, we're heterosexuals. Clara, when she told me she was gonna drop out, when we had no tutor and we were stressing. Stuff. Oh, the new library.
Oh.
That was the fucking pregnant furry TikTok.
My favorite.
Yeah. Jenga with Tina. You sit with Isabel. We filmed our obsessed TikTok cover. More comics. You sit with Tina and Rebecca. My Peppa Pig earrings. That was when we watched that movie with Yuna.
Oh my god. Hot woman. The end.
We stand. The only woman in the world we stand. Kidding. Stuff. Oh, this was when I took Alice to, like, galleries and shit.
Ooh.
Yeah, and we watched Chicago that night. Wow.
And then we dyed our hair, and I became a Karen.
Yes. Oh, that was us crying over our homophobic parents. I didn't post this on Daily Crispy because I was like, oh, this is sad, bro.
This is so sad.
This is sad. This is sad, bro. Went to the beach with Kathy G. Stuff. Wow. Wow. Okay, this was for an assessment, but I wasn't really good at it. Drag Night, more comics. That was about you getting ghosted.
What? You made it when? Did
You're a fake fan. I posted this.
No! What the fuck?
Okay. I wasn't even sad, but that was sad. 3D. Oh, Climate Strike. Save the Environment, ladies. Oh, that was a comic because I just wanted to fill up pages and finish. That's a plant. It's wilted. Okay, thanks for coming.